y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I was going to touch up my makeup to go over to my bestie's house to celebrate 4th of July. And I got my 4th of July cold shoulder shirt, which I normally hate these, but this is my little cold shoulder shirt. Got my red Hermes on, some stars and stripes earrings. And I got some of those switch flops. They're like flip flops, and you can switch out the colors on the front end. And I'm going to be putting these on. You take, they're Velcro on the flip flop part, you know, where your toes come through like that. And you put this on the top. And so this is red, white, and blue. So I'm just going to be very red, white, and blue. Last night we had the big, huge thing down in Peachtree City. It's big as the old Lenox Mall, for those of you who may even know what I'm talking about. It was big, y'all. And Peachtree City, where I live now, they have got an even more extravagant. Look how full my hair is in a little figgy tail, y'all. You can see my gray so much. I don't care. It is who I am, man. But I did want to put on some more festive looking eyeshadow. And I remembered this palette I just got from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just using my own spit because I'm not sharing. And I don't really like using a prom or wedding product. It just does better this way. But anyway, I'm going to put this right on the lid so I'll have some sparkle. And this is her Instant Look of Love Glowing Beauty. And it's her latest one. I just did what do you call it? I've done an unboxing of it, and I haven't uploaded it all yet. That's the only thing. Look how much sparkly that is. I like it. I like it. It's super sparkly. I mean, when you're going to be out and about being sparkly and all, yeah, it looks fun. So I'm going to put it on the eyelid. Now, I will tell you what I'm going to come and do after this is put a little bit frostier white color. But I wanted to get the glitter because she has a glit factor on her eyeshadows, which is usually her enhanced shade. She's got, of course, your highlight shade, your smoke out shade, and your enhanced shade. And on the enhanced shade, she always adds glitter, but it's so finely milled, y'all. It just has a classy look, and to catch it in sunlight is just stunning. And of course, you know, I'm going to be outside, so I'll probably let this get caught in sunlight. It'll be so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's going to be so pretty. What do y'all think? Yeah, I think it's very, very pretty. Now, as far as the highlighter on this one, it's too honey gold looking, so I'm not going to use it. I'm trying to think. This might be matte. This is one of her older palettes. Yeah, this is all matte, so that won't work either. Except her highlighter looks very champagne-ish. I like my highlighter to be more white, not more gold. So let's see what we've got over here. Now I'm going to stay with Charlotte Tilbury. Here's one of her palettes. Y'all, I'm looking. There's the champagne color. It's gold. Does she just not want to do white? Maybe that's it. I'll put it right under the brow. What do y'all think? I'm going to do it with my finger. She always says use your own finger because it just puts on glitter shades better. But you know what we used to have before that? We used to have sponge applicators. Remember those? This some palettes, my Chanel palettes actually still come with them. Yeah, this palette is the Stars in Your Eyes palette, and I'm using this highlighter right there. And actually, it is coming across very champagne, but it's very glittery, and I like it. You know, you don't really wear glittery stuff that often, so I want to really, you know, do it up. Velvet has decided to come see me. Hey, come in. You want to see everybody? Oh, what's your little eyes? My goodness, I need to fix your eye boogers. Look, she's got some eye boogers. What do you see out there? Do y'all like her new diamond necklace? Do you see that? Do you like it? Do you like it? And her Lovey Charm hasn't come in yet. I call their little tag with their phone number on it, with our phone numbers on it, and their name, their Lovey Charm, because that's Mommy's charm to them, that they are loved. And if anything happened, Mommy would find a way to get to them. Get them back. Do I want to do blue? Y'all, what do I want to do for my color pop? Looking at the Dior palette. Again, very golden. Everything's very golden. Alright, so that's a cool palette right there. That's a cool palette. Look at the difference. One is very gold and one is very cool. Hold on, I'm going to show you this. Look at the difference. Very big difference. Cool, gold. Very, very different. So y'all can see. I like this. I like the cool color. Alright. So I'm going to close that back up. And I think this would be, there's a sponge applicator right there. Came with it. And this is also, you know what? I might just use this kind of taupey color that's in here and just do that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. At least it's got some sparkle to it. I was thinking about using a blue though, y'all. I'm going to still see if I can find a blue. Maybe I'll blend it in somehow on the upper lid or something. There we go. Y'all, I just did a boo-boo. Oh well, whatever. It's fine. I'm trying to get a little, I'm using a pointer applicator. Just trying to get more of the glittery color in the front end here. There. I want glittery, y'all. I like it. Because there's no real occasion to wear it, you know. You don't really wear things like that daily. Alright. So we're going to put this one up. I didn't find a blue. And you know what? I know I have a palette that has a blue in it. It's this one. I think that one might. Actually, that is a purpley blue. I mean, it's more purple, but I think that would work best. No, it looks purple, doesn't it? No, I want blue. If I'm going to do it, I'm going to do blue. Let's put this up. Will this have blue? It looks like it should. That should. Y'all, it doesn't. But it does have radio, which is about... Y'all, look at the front of this where it looks like grease. That is grease, by the way. All that blue, like grease, that big bright blue, and then look at the colors. Very fall. There's no bright white and royal blue. But this radio color is like a navy blue, and that technically is what the flag is more navy. So let's do that. What y'all think? And I'm just going to use a sponge applicator. This is from Ulta. And I'm going to go in that radio color. It's got a hue of green, but it's or even gray, to be honest. Let's just see how it does. I'm going to just go through that same color. Oh, this is perfect, y'all. That's fun. Yeah. Yeah, this is perfect because it's a fun color. It's almost like a dark denim, and that is that, or navy. And that's perfect for what I wanted to do. There. Yep. And that's the touch-up. What do y'all think? I just wanted to add some color and fun. Whoop. That's a little too much there. What do you think? I'm wearing strawberry red, for those of you who are wondering about my lip color. Strawberry red. And radio blue from Urban Decay. And this was the Born to Run palette, which I do like that. That would be a really good fall palette. Look at these colors again. Of course, there's a lot of oranges, but there's some cool tones for sure, and some pinks. So that's a really pretty palette experiment with. Y'all want me to put that one over here? I always put it over here if we're going to work on it. Work on it. Act like it's a project. But I did also like this. This is Sigma Nightlife one. That is pretty, but that blue is a purple, really. What's it called? Boogie. I like it. Okay. That's it, y'all. You know what I can do with this silver right here? I could blend that in just a hair with, where is it? The champagne color so it doesn't look so golden. I wanted more of a silver look. What would that look like? Let's see. I'm getting so glitzy, it's insane. Right now, let's do that. Let's just put it. What do y'all think? Y'all are looking so over made up, but it's just fine. I'll have to blend this out. It's too fun. No, but that silver does look better than that gold did, in my opinion. Yeah, it's more cool toned. I am going to put some on the front half of my lid. There. Y'all, that is so overdone. I am going to have to blend this out. It's too much. It's just too much. So when you overdo it, just go back and blend it in. There we go. Just kind of calm it down. Calm it down. That's fine. That's fine. So that's my look. What do y'all think? Does it look 4th of July? Lance has cooked some pork butts, and we're going over to my best friend's house just for a little while. We can't leave the pups too long, so anyway, that's my look. What do y'all think? I'll talk to you again soon.